going to make one of the easiest salmon recipes you have ever made. You can make it either as a whole salmon fillet, like I'm making here today for your dinner party, or you can do fillet steaks and just make it for yourself for dinner or lunch for that matter. So I have my whole salmon fillet here that I have washed and tapped dry. It's room temperature. You don't want your fish to be too cold, so you want to kind of let it become room temperature or not too cold. And I have drizzled some avocado oil in between my parchment paper and my salmon, so the salmon skin is on, and we have some avocado oil underneath here. And up next, I'm going to start seasoning it, and the seasoning is the easiest. Some salt. And since this is a saffron citrus salmon, of course we need some saffron. I have some powdered Persian saffron here, or Iranian saffron I should say. Make sure you cover your whole salmon. Next, I'm going to drizzle some avocado oil on top. You can also use olive oil if you prefer. Here's the fun part. We're going to layer all of our citrus and make the design as you wish. I have some red blood oranges, some limes, and I also have some grapefruits. So we're just gonna have fun designing this citrus layered salmon today. This is one of my classic original recipes that I've been making for many, many years. And one of the questions that I always get asked is, because I use the same kind of citrus technique for my chicken that I make once in a while, and I'm always asked whether or not the citrus is going to make the salmon or the chicken bitter, and the answer is no, because we don't really eat the citrus in this scenario. It's just going to infuse our salmon with all the citrusy flavors and make it look pretty at the end. Okay. Look how pretty this looks. I'm going to drizzle some avocado oil on top of our citrus so that they don't burn, so they have some moisture while they're in the oven. Finally, I'm also going to squeeze some citrus juice, just a little bit around. We are ready for the oven. We popped in the salmon into the oven for about 35 to 45 minutes at 350 degrees. We don't need to cover it, so we just keep an eye on it, make sure it's in the middle level of your oven, and it should be good to go. See you later.